Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the wild ride on this one today, and updates certainly need to be made. First thing I'm going to do here is actually adjust this level of support down here now that we have more data to right here at $20.50. And I'll get to that here in a second. But just to recap things, because it'll also segue into, a key level to watch moving forward from the resistance side of things. But very impressive start to the day. Opening 30 minutes, big green candle. Next 30 minutes, big green candle. And then the price got right up there around that red line, which will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched past videos. But that red line just being an area of resistance I've talked about. But point here being, price got up around that general area, and then from that point ultimately rolled back over to the downside. So point here being that moving forward, right up around that $23 remains public enemy number one from the resistance standpoint. And, we certainly got confirmation of that via how the price behaved, earlier on in the day during that morning period. So watch that. But more so the pressing item and, the more relevant item to be wondering and focused on is that green line right there at $20.50, which has a big history, meaning you can see back here, it was a former area of resistance, and there's a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken, you want to see them act as support. And that's exactly what's happened. Acted as support right there. And then once again, acted as support right there. So while nothing is guaranteed, my core point here is this. It is more than valid. It is more than rational to think that if the price were to come down here to $20.50 and then break down through it, that break very well could in and of itself create that much more, downward selling pressure. So again, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is certainly going to be a very important level that a lot of people will be watching, and rightfully so. So $20.50 key level of support, $23 key level of resistance. Let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.